Let it snow, unpacking the phrase for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to unpack the phrase, let it snow. It's a common phrase you might hear during the winter season or in popular songs. But what does it mean, exactly? Let's find out together. The phrase, let it snow, can be understood in two parts. Let is a verb that means to allow or give permission for something to happen. Snow is the precipitation that falls from the sky when it's cold, which we all know as those beautiful white flakes. So, put together, let it snow literally means to allow the snow to fall without trying to stop it or wishing it away. It's accepting and welcoming the natural weather process of snowing. Let it snow can also have a figurative meaning. It's often used to express a sense of relaxation or resignation to events beyond our control. When someone says, let it snow, they may mean that they are prepared to enjoy or accept what is coming, no matter what it is. This phrase embodies a positive attitude towards upcoming events or circumstances, especially those that cannot be changed. This phrase has been popularized by the famous Christmas song titled, Let It Snow. Let it snow, let it snow. When used in songs, let it snow can convey a feeling of coziness, happiness, and holiday spirit. It brings to mind images of sitting by the fire, drinking hot cocoa, and spending time with loved ones while the snow falls outside. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions, it's still important to get the pronunciation right. For let, make sure the E sounds like the E in bed. For snow, start with a quick SN sound like in snack. Then finish with O as in go. Together, it's let it snow. Say it with me. Now, let's see how to use let it snow in a sentence. You might say, I have hot chocolate and a good book. Let it snow all day. This shows that you're prepared to enjoy a snowy day. Or, if you're talking about being ready for any challenges, you could say, I've finished all my work for the week. Let it snow, meaning you're ready for a relaxing weekend, come what may. And that's a wrap on the phrase, let it snow. We hope you now understand the literal and figurative meanings of this charming phrase. Remember, English is full of expressions like these that can be used in a variety of ways. Keep practicing, and you'll be using them like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Happy learning, and as always, let it snow.